This video is to introduce my simple real-time web-based application, FSEchatroom. Only through browser users can easily log into the chat room and chat instantly. In the following of this video, I will show you how it works and how it is implemented. First, let's see the design of the chat room. You can see the user interface here. After logging, the history chat message will be shown. You can enter a message here, and when you press the send button, the chat message will be shown instantly in this place. System will notify other users about users joining and leaving information. In this part, you can see how many people online and who they are. The screens of all the users are updated dynamically. Now let's see how to use it. For users, we open the browser and enter the address. You can log in if you have an account, or you can register an account. Now we log in with the username Helen. And other people online can see the system notification of your join. You can see the history message here, and there are 3 people online and who they are. You can start chatting now. Like if we say hello and press send. You can see the message is displayed instantly. If you want to leave, you just close the browser and the system will notify other online users about your leaving. Here is the functionality of the chat room. Now I introduce the technologies I used in this application. In order to implement a better responsive user interface, on the client side, I used HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. jQuery is used to simplify JavaScript programming. On the server side, I used Node.js, Express.js, and Socket.io library. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment to enable JavaScript to be applied on the server side. It is fast and allows us to write non-blocking codes. Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js. Socket.io is used for real-time updates. To process the data, I use Redux because it is fast, and there is no sophisticated querying operations in this application. Codes are available on GitHub, and you can clone it if you like. In the next, I will introduce the code structure. Since Node.js is event-driven, to achieve real-time updates, the implement of callback functions is primary part. The HTML files are for client-side and contain CSS, HTML, and JavaScript codes that deal with callback functions when logging, sign up, chatting events are listened. The file index.js contains the main code on the server side, and the file user.js contains the prototype object of user which can be used in index.js. The main functions of each file are listed here, and callback functions of the event are marked with color blue. The data structure I applied in storing registered usernames, username password relations, and messages are set, key values, and list respectively. For login functionality, if the browser sends a login request, that is, a login event is triggered, the server listens for it and retrieves the corresponding username and password from Redux to inform the user whether the login is successful or not. The event is marked with color blue. If the user logins successfully, it jumps to the chat home page. The sign-up case is similar with login. When user logins successfully, the browser triggers a joint event with the username. The server then attaches the username to its socket, retrieves history chat messages from database, and emits chat message and user list change events to the client side to display history chat message and update online user information. System notification is also implemented using chat message event. When users send a message, a chat message event is triggered. The server stores the message into the list, and the same event will be emitted to the client side to display the message. When the user leaves, a disconnect event will be triggered. It is similar with the join case. User online information needs to be updated. The following part is added because I found I need to implement the functionality of leaving chat room in the requirement. Dual-SIM users can just leave the room as well as sign out by simply closing the page. I added a button to sign out. Now you can see we are in the chat room, and by clicking the button Leave, you sign out. Thank you for watching.